Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We are out in the warehouse and we are going to talk about this really cool new thing that we have. This is a umbrella sleeve adapter. So if you've ever had an umbrella sleeve, a volleyball sleeve, anything like that in your swimming pool, you're going to notice when you put the item in there, it wobbles around. It's not like a good solid fit. You're shoving little pieces of wood or something in there just to get your umbrella to stand up straight. This solves that problem. This threads into your existing umbrella sleeve or volleyball sleeve, and then it gives you a little adapter piece there that fits most standard umbrella poles. So instead of the hole being too big and you try to shove the pole in there and it's flopping around all over the place, this is going to keep it tight. It also has a little locking screw on the side that allows you to tighten it down, and a little ring to remove in case you do have a larger pole. It'll still fit in here. So we have these in gray, white, and black. These things are great. Umbrella sleeve adapters. Find them on ePoolSupply.com. I'm Greg. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. We really appreciate all the love and support. Please make sure to hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. It really helps us out. And we got a ton of content coming your way. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.